Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to deal the last exercise of chapter 1, that is 1.4. So here is the question. First, evaluate each of the following. A part, minus 30 divided by 10 will become minus 3. B part, minus 36 divided minus 9, the answer will be plus 4. Then C part, 13 divided minus 2 plus 1. Here open the bracket, so it become minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 will be added with plus 1, the answer will be minus 1, isn't it? Now 13 divided with minus 1, the answer will be minus 13. D part of the question. Minus 6 plus 5 divided minus 2 plus 1. Open the bracket and solve. Minus 6 plus 5, the answer will be minus 1. Divide minus 2 plus 1, the answer will be minus 1. Now minus 1 will be divided with minus 1, the answer will be plus 1. Now try to solve these three questions with your own. Now second question. Verify that A divided B plus C is not equals to A divided B plus A divided C, where the value of A is given as 12, B is given as minus 4, C is given as 2. To verify A divided B plus C is not equals to A divided B plus A divided C. So this one is the LHS part of the question and this one is the RHS part of the question. Remember that LHS and RHS are not equal. Now LHS part, we are going to put the value of A, B, C, that is 12, minus 4 and 2. So A divided B plus C, that is 12 divided minus 4 plus 2. So minus 4 plus 2 will become minus 2 itself. When 12 will be divided with minus 2, the answer will be minus 6. In the same way, the RHS side, A divided B plus A divided C. So 12 divided minus 4 plus 12 divided 2. So 12 divided with minus 4, the answer will be minus 3. And 12 divided with 2, the answer will be plus 6. Now open the bracket, it will become minus 3 plus 6. When you are going to solve the value, the answer will become plus 3. Now look. LHS side the answer comes minus 6 and RHS side the answer comes plus 3. As in the questions we have to solve, it is not equal. Hence LHS is not equals to RHS. Thus the question is verified. Try to solve by changing the value of A minus 10, B 1 and C 1 with your own. Now the third question, fill in the blanks. A part. 369 will be divided by which number to get 369, that is 1. In the same way, minus 75 will be divided by which number to get minus 1, that is plus 75. In the same way, can see the three other fill-ups. Now, see the fourth question. In the fourth question, it is said that write 5 pairs of integers a, b such that when A is divided by B, the answer is minus 3. Means whatever the value of A, B you will keep, the answer should come minus 3. Example is given in the question itself. Suppose A value is 6 and B value is minus 12. When you are going to divide A and B, the answer is minus 3. How it is? 6 is divided with minus 2, the answer is minus 3. So in the same way, we have to create the 5 pairs of the numbers. So first pair, minus 9 divided by 3, the answer will be minus 3. Minus 12 divided by 4, the answer will be minus 3. So in this way you can create the pairs of the numbers in order to get the answer minus 3. Now the fifth part of the question. An elevator descent into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meter. Now let us consider that O will be the ground level. So here I had drawn a diagram. O will be the ground level and above O is the 0 to A will be 10 meter and below ground level 0 to B is minus 350 meter. Okay, so O is the ground level, OA distance is 10 meter, OB distance is minus 350 meter. Therefore, the distance AB, that means here from A to B, the distance will be mod of OA minus OB, close the mod. So putting the value of OA as 10 and OB is minus 350. So here minus and minus will become plus. So 10 plus 350, the answer will be 360 meter. Now distance covered is 360 meter. Rate of descent is 6 meter per minute. So the time taken is distance divided by rate, isn't it? So 360 divided by 6, that will be 60 minutes. As we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So here the answer is 1 hour. Thank you.